in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a stand in Please Donate. So once you're in Please Donate, you then want to go to a random stand, make sure it is unclaimed, and then hold E to claim your stand. Then once you got your stand, you want to hold E again to edit it, and then you could edit things like your booth, your text font, stroke, and all these other things. So let's just do something simple. So click edit, then you want to put like a goal or something. I'm just going to put goal 1 mil. There we go. Then you could do a text font. So a nice one is probably arcade. I like that. And then you can see, look, goal 1 mil. So there we go. We're very chilling right there. Then you could do text color. So you click that, you can have it like a light green color. Then you could have a stroke. So I'm gonna do a stroke as black, and then I'm gonna have the stroke opacity as 100%. Opacity is just basically how transparent it is. So look at this. This is very nice right there. Then I want to do a rich text, and these are all the things which you can edit if you're a VIP, and VIP does cost money. It costs $2.99. So yeah, I don't think that's worth it, but yeah, that's how you create a booth. If you want to know how to set up these buttons, watch the video on the screen right now.